Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, but in today's episode, more like welcome to my kitchen. Come on in. So today we'll be making a salad, okay? And I don't know about you, but I struggle with textures, so some of you might not be keen on trying this one. That's not the point. The point is to see what I enjoy. So basically it's gonna be a chickpea salad with a mixture of your cucumbers, red onions. Absolutely love red onions. I can literally eat them on their own. But your cucumber, carrots, and your lettuce, and an absolute fave, avocado. Let's get straight to it. So I'm basically going to be using a baking sheet. I've already drained my chickpeas. So I'll just transfer them onto the baking sheet so that I can spice them. Very easy does it. Ooh, my kitchen towel is drenched. I personally think like I'm a spice guru. Guys, listen, if I spice your food for you, it's gonna taste so amazing. So this is basically a pepper steak spice. This is my barbecue spice. Doesn't look too barbecuey, does it? Barbecue. And then let me try my garlic and parsley rather. And then something I honestly can't eat any of my food without is cayenne pepper. Woo! I like it when something is extra spicy and extra hot. So I'm gonna put quite a bit of this because I absolutely love it. And there we go. Okay. I don't really want salt in it, so that should do it. So I'm gonna mix it together. You can even use your hands, guys. It's really something you're gonna eat on your own, so you can even do that. Okay, so now we're gonna fry it for a bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in a pan and then we're gonna fry it for literally not even too long. Okay, so now I'm gonna heat up my stove. And then I'm gonna put my chickpeas on the plates. I'm gonna put it on low. So I'm gonna be using sunflower oil, just a little bit, to heat up my pan. Don't come at me about this being unhealthy. If you want something healthy, you're gonna make a plan. I believe in balance. Everything has to be balanced. Whoa.
So you're infamous for your fried chickpeas. You know,
Tando personally thinks I'm good at this. Listen to that sizzle. Okay, so my stove is on very low right now, so nothing burns. You can let it sit if you choose to, for however long you would like.
what are you doing now?
Wipe them.
Okay,
My counter. Wiping down my counter. Guys, and honestly, you don't have to put this on for long. It's up to you. I prefer mine crunchy. not soft. If it's soft or soggy, I'll struggle eating it. I don't like anything soft or soggy. Also, I like food that is slightly burnt. So don't be surprised, but I promise I won't burn my chickpeas.
Beautiful.
So now we're going to put the stuff together. So I have my red onion, my cucumbers, my carrots, and we have herb salad. Am I the only one that washes my lettuce or?
Yes, because it's already washed.
Have you seen those videos with the strawberries that if you add vinegar on them and these worms come out of them?
Oh wow.
So, perfectly safe than sorry. Okay guys, so it's up to you. You can just fill up your plate with your lettuce. It's up to you how you plan on doing that. I'm not gonna add a lot of carrots. I'm not really a fan, but I just like the way they look on my plate. Cucumbers. Guys, I even wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning to cut up cucumbers and eat them. I'm not even lying. I'll spice them with anything I can find. Cayenne pepper, salt, you name it. I love them. I absolutely love them. Now I love avo, but I haven't mastered how to cut an avo, and Tando is always telling me I'm wasting. I hope I get. Oh, and this one is nice and creamy actually. Not too bad, but so Tando's supposed to walk me through how you actually.
Oh my word, no!
Take out.
You cut it in wow.
Cubes.
So this is what the problem is here.
You see, I'm not wasting any of the
peels it
avo.
before she cuts it. I would never.
But last time I've cut it before I've peeled it, you said I'm wasting avo.
No, you cut it like the way you're cutting it now.
No, I didn't. But this is gonna go in whole like this.
Wow.
It's beautiful, guys.
R.I.P.
I really don't want to make a mess on my chopping board, so I'm gonna put it back on this plate and let's see. What do people say you have to do it for the aesthetic? I think it's gonna come out nicely, but whatever. Are you still mad?
Girl, I'm over you.
Okay, I'm gonna put it facing down. Ready? Steady? Go. Not too shabby. Okay, let's shift these over so that my chickpeas can fit. Wash my hands real quick. Cooking with nails also. But a lady needs to have her nails done. Okay guys, so okay, let's play. I'm already salivating. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. What am I gonna call this bone then?
Jesus. I don't know.
Okay. And like I showed you guys earlier, I made my own dressing from. I have texture problems, so this is the only thing that will sit comfortably on my palette. Oh, and lemon. I actually added lemon as well. Now, just because I've done that doesn't mean I'm not gonna spice everything else. I need to still spice my cucumbers and my avo. So here we go. And yes, it's a lot, I know, but that's how I like it. So
I need to get a shot of it.
guys, and this is my bowl. My little salad bowl. I actually think I did a good job.
Okay.
Usually it's very messy, but here it is. And I'm gonna dig in right now. Let me get a fork. Okay, so I'm not gonna eat in front of you guys, but I'm just gonna have a cucumber in front of you guys. But yeah. ASMR. It's actually very good. It was lovely having you guys in my kitchen this time around. I'll actually be doing more of these food kind of stuff, or what I enjoy eating and stuff like that. I'll be doing more of that. So if you'd like to see more of this and my fitness stuff, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, knock it out.